In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pulse Elite headset to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting and using your Pulse Elite headset on any iPad model is extremely simple. You will be able to conveniently connect both devices by using Bluetooth. So the Pulse Elite headset supports Bluetooth, and this is going to be by far the best option to connect both devices. So first, enable Bluetooth on your iPad. If needed, go over to the settings and you will access the Bluetooth category, where you can check to see if Bluetooth is toggled on. With this done, you will have to set up your Pulse Elite headset. So to put the headset into pairing mode so it can be detected by the iPad, you just have to press and hold the PlayStation Link button on the headset. Do this until the LED indicator starts blinking blue rapidly. Once you notice that the LED indicator is flashing rapidly, it is now in pairing mode. So if you go back to your iPad's screen and you go over to the Bluetooth settings, under the list of available devices, you will be able to find the Pulse Elite. So choose it from the list, and once paired, the LED indicator on the headset will turn solid blue. You will see a connection notification on your iPad, and now you will be good to go. All of the audio being cast on your iPad will be output on the Pulse headset instead, and you don't have to repeat this every single time in the future that you want to use the Pulse Elite. As soon as you power it on, and you are in close proximity of your iPad, it is going to pair itself up automatically. So as long as you don't unpair both devices, they will be able to communicate to each other, and they should automatically pair up when they are in close proximity and you power on the Pulse Elite headset. If you want to unpair them, go over to the same menu, so the Bluetooth settings, and you will be able to remove it from the list. But as soon as you do it once, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Pulse Elite headset to iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.